Hello students, welcome to my channel Concept Tech 2018. I am Dr. Sunanda Manke and this video is a part of the series on online electronics laboratory, and in this part we'll discuss the lab exercises on combinational circuits. This slide gives the list of all the experiments which will be performed in this part. We have half adder and full adder circuit, 2x4 decoder, 1x4 demultiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer, 8x3 encoder and BCD to 7 segment decoder. So you can see here all the major combinational circuits are covered in this part. This is the trainer kit on which this experiment will be performed, and this is the general purpose kit on which this trainer kit is mounted. So DC supply from the kit will be connected to this trainer kit for operation of different ICs of the trainer kit. These are the input switches through which input will be applied to the trainer kit. Switches are having two position, high and low. So by changing the switch position, we can apply high input or low input to the given trainer kit. Let's see the details of this trainer kit. This trainer kit is having this 4x1 multiplexer. Then we have 1x4 demux IC here. Then we have 8x3 encoder IC here. And we have a BCD to 7 segment decoder here. And this is the LED driver. So all the outputs will be connected to this driver, and these LEDs are used to observe the output of all the given circuits. Let's do the experiment on BCD to 7 segment decoder. The IC used for this experiment is 7447. What is 7 segment first of all? So this is the picture of a 7 segment display. And why is it called 7 segment? Because it is having 7 elements here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and based on the illumination of individual element the numbers are displayed here. And in BCD to 7 segment decoder, the BCD number is given as input to this IC and it displays the given number on this 7 segment display. And you can observe here, say I have to display 0. So the inputs applied here A, B, C, D are 0, 0, 0, 0. Then the 7 elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. To display 0, I would like all to be illuminated except the middle one. So, and the middle one is G. So G will be 1, all others will be 0, and thereby 0 will be displayed. Similarly, if I want to display 9, in case of displaying 9, this element need not be illuminated, and that element is D and E, right? So to display 9, the 9 is displayed like this, 1 2 3 4 5 are illuminated, and these two elements are not illuminated, and they are D and E, right? So D and E is 1, all others are 0, that will display 9. 8, all the elements are illuminated, so all zeros represents 8. So basically 1000 is 8. So for 1000, the output of this IC is all low, and thereby this all low output is fed to this 7 segment, and thereby it displays 8. This is how this BCD to 7 segment decoder IC works. So this is the IC and this is the display given here. We'll give input A0, A1, A2 and A3 here, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it will display BCD number. So it will display from 0 to 9 on this display. So this is how this BCD to 7 segment decoder works, and this is the BCD to 7 segment decoder here. You can observe it here. So inputs will be applied through switches and output will be observed, which is internally connected to the 7 segment on this 7 segment display. Let's do this experiment. This is BCD to 7 segment decoder IC, and this is the 7 segment display on which 0 to 9 numbers will be displayed, and then the display of the number depends on the 4 input switches which you can see are connected here. When we have 0, 0, 0, 0 value, it will display 0. You can observe all switches low, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 1, 0, 6, 1, 1, 1, 7, 1, 0, 0, 8, 1 0 0 1 9. This is how this IC works. I hope you have enjoyed this experiment and understood the working of the given IC. Thank you.